Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver, looks great. You do have the chrome accenting on your grille there with your halogen headlights and fog lights down there. You also have the chrome bumper and your tow hooks. Coming around the side here we do have our Goodyear brand tires with our 17-inch rims. They look great. Heated exterior tow mirrors right here with the turning signal on them. So all you gotta do is push this guy up like this. Then you can see even farther back, helps you see. Then in the back here we do have a 5-foot box, looks great. You do have your Ram badging with your chrome bumper back here and the 4x4. Open it up. Lots of room back here, looks fantastic, and it does have the spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up. We got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and our panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You got your handle here, another handle here, and some storage. Looks great in here, very spacious, and these seats are very comfortable as well. This guy does tilt them back, and to push it forward and back, it's right there. And then over here, we do have the controls over our lights. So our auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as fog lights there, and in-cabin light control there. And then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Let's start her up here, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there it does tell us the the temperature outside, the way which we're facing, and the kilometers. It only has 1,000 kilometers, that's pretty much nothing. Now you can switch that around to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B, as well you got your trailer tow, your messages, screen setup, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. That is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. Gear shift is right here, just like that. And then in the center we do have our touchscreen display, so it does have the AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there. You got your media tab here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Phone options right here if you have one hooked up, compass, settings, and more. Then you got your volume up and down with the mute, screen off, back button, and tuner and browser. And then over here we do have our control over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low. And then we do have the climate control, so the power up and down with our circulation, temperature, and AC. You have your hazard lights there. And then over here you do have your where it's going to blow it up with your defrosts. Down here you got the trailer brake, your traction control, tow and haul mode, some storage just down there, storage in here. And then we do also have 3 cup holders with our armrest, doubles as a storage container. You do have some coin holders there, as well as a USB and aux cord plug-in just over there. Open this guy up like this. You got another seat. It seats 6 people altogether. Then you got your top and bottom layer glove boxes there. Lots and lots of room. And you do have your light control right up here. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you have your handle, control over your windows, your handle here, and some storage. Does look fantastic back here as well. Very spacious. Seats are the same material as the front. You can lift this guy up. You got some storage underneath there with your cup holders, and then you do have more storage just underneath the floor mats right there. And there's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.